everyone, we are Mihaela and Corina, and in this video we are going to show you how we created this large glossy abstract painting. The materials we used for this project are an 80 and 80 centimeters canvas, painting brushes, a staple gun, wood glue, white acrylic paint that is used for furniture, yellow and red acrylic paint for creating this peachy color, scissors, a glossy varnish, and fabric. For creating this bouncy draped effect, we used a different kind of fabric, which is linked in the description with all the other materials we used. First, we start spraying water on the canvas. We mix wood glue with water so it can be more liquid, and we apply it with large brushes on the canvas. After the canvas has enough wood glue, we put the fabric on it. For a smooth effect, we recommend ironing the fabric before using it. Then we start spraying water on the fabric so it can absorb the wood glue better. After the fabric is prepared, we apply the wood glue with brushes. We have to apply it carefully everywhere. If you want your fabric model to stay put, you have to use hooks on the edges so you can make it stable. After you have finished modeling your painting, you have to let it dry. If you don't find the color paint you want, you can make it yourself. We wanted a peach glossy color, but we didn't find it, so we had to make it ourselves. We had an acrylic white paint for furniture, and we started to add red and yellow acrylic paint gradually until we achieved the desired color. After the fabric has fully dried, we start stapling the edges on the canvas frame. First, we cut the surplus with a scissor, we fold it, and then we staple it with a staple gun. We do this for every side of the canvas. After that, we start applying the acrylic paint on the canvas. It is faster if you use a bigger brush, but be careful not to leave paint drops on the painting. We applied 2 layers of acrylic paint. After it had fully dried, we start applying the glossy liquid varnish linked in the description. For this step, you have to clean the canvas with a clean brush so you don't have any dust on it. When applying the varnish, check under the frame for the liquid drops. And then you wait for it to fully dry. And this is the final result. Hope you enjoyed watching our process. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our content. If you want to see more, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.